IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you find it easy to stick to your plans? Band 5. Answer.
Honestly, not really. I usually make plans, but I change them because something comes up. Or I just forget. I try to follow my schedule, but sometimes I feel tired, or I want to do something else, so it is hard to keep it.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Some hesitation and simple ideas. Lacks clear development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Limited range. Plans, change, tired. And grammar. Simple sentences. Frequent tense and structure simplicity. Pronunciation. Understandable, but not much variety in stress or intonation. Typical of a Band 5. Meaning is clear, but language is basic and control is inconsistent. Band 7.5 Answer.
Usually, yes. I like organizing my time, so when I make plans, I try to follow them. However, sometimes unexpected things happen, like extra work or social events, and then I have to adjust. But overall, I stick to my plans quite well.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural flow with minor hesitation. Lexical resource. Good range. Organizing, unexpected, adjust. Grammar, mostly accurate. Mix of simple and complex structures. Pronunciation, clear with natural rhythm and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5. Well-developed answer with flexible language, mostly accurate. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely, I'm very disciplined with my plans, because I rely on structure to stay productive. I usually map out my week in advance, and unless something truly urgent arises, I follow it closely. For me, sticking to a plan isn't restrictive. It actually gives me more freedom and peace of mind.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, well-organized, and fully developed answer. Lexical resource, sophisticated and precise. Disciplined, map out, restrictive, peace of mind. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures with full accuracy. Pronunciation. Natural, fluent, and highly intelligible with controlled intonation. Typical of a Band 9. Fully fluent, nuanced, and precise communication with consistent control. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.